Alright guys, so in this video, this is going to be a very quick completing the square to get this in general form into standard form. So the very first thing you want to pay attention to is I have both square terms, but they're different numbers and they're positive, so I know that this is an ellipse. Okay, so that's the very first thing you want to do. Alright guys, as you can see that I grouped my x's together, I grouped my y's together, and then I got the number by itself on the other side. And if you notice, my first terms have a number other than 1 in the front, so I want to factor out a number of the x's. I can take out a 4, this is what I have left. I can take out an 8, this is what I have left once I do that. And now we can actually do CTS. Alright guys, so now that we can do CTS, I'm going to take my middle number, my single term with the variable, I'm going to divide by 2, take that result and square it. And I'm going to do the same thing for the y's. Take that number, divide by 2, square that result, and I get 9. And notice I'm going to take that 1 and add it here, take that 9 and add it here. Question is, what do I add to the other side? As you can see guys, this part right here factors and gives me that, and then this trinomial gives me this y plus 3. But remember, as soon as you divide by 2, that negative 1 is the number that goes on the inside, and then when I divide this 6 by 2, that 3 goes inside as well. But now direct your attention to this part over here. I'm not just adding 1 to the right. Since I took out a 4, I'm really going to be multiplying 4 times 1 on the left, which means I got to add 4 times 1 on the right. Likewise, I took out an 8, so I'm doing 8 times 9 on the left. I got to do 8 times 9 on the right. All right, guys, so once I take care of those pieces right here and I simplify that, I get 32. But remember, it's got to be equal to 1. So as you can see, to make this equal to 1, I want to divide by that number on the end, divide everything by that number, and the result will be. And once we divide by that number 32 on the end, our fractions simplify. 8 over 32 becomes 1 over 4. 4 over 32 becomes 1 over 8, and we finally got it in standard form. So just a quick little video over CTS when it is an ellipse.